What's going on, YouTube? We coming back with another banger today, man. Today my boy brought his FD6 4-door Civic. We're gonna throw on some D2 coilovers, brand new out the box. Shoo! Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the front two coilovers. First, you're gonna want to take this plastic. What's this shit called?
You gonna take a
Cows?
No, you hit me a 5/8. Yeah, and I was like, no, you hit me a 5/8, bro.
Niggas, man.
Bro, that's crazy.
I knew how to fit in it though.
Let's take this off.
God damn.
For what?
Put it down. What's that?
It was just good.
This is, hold on.
It just popped out.
Hold up. Disconnect the washer.
Oh!
Bro, you leave that right there. Alright, so after you get this piece off, that plastic piece, I don't even know what it's called, you're gonna want to go ahead and unbolt these right here. It's a 14.
I literally said, watch out, let me test it.
There's not 19, bro. It's like a 20 something. You got 21?
There's a 21 right here.
Thank you.
Bruh.
Yeah,
What size is that?
it's a 7.
19 and 7/8 on the other side to hold it.
You know what that's
Yeah, do that for me, bro.
Oh, you're gonna want to do the same thing on the other side. Got the top bolt. The next thing you're gonna want to do is take off the brake line. Oh, it's a 12mm bolt. I'm dead. And just like that, voila. Forgot my Kool-Aid. And the sun, you can't have that. But my phone gonna go ahead and get a 14. Fronts is so easy, bro. Back. If you run into some issues taking this off, you're just gonna want to spray some WD-40 and it should come right off. But we got it out with no problem. If it does not come off that way, you're gonna need an Allen key.
I actually might have one. It's not gonna fit. It's a twist.
That shit definitely fits.
Oh.
That bitch is twisting, bro. It's twisting. What you mean?
That's my plan.
You get the point. But we're gonna struggle trying to take it out. We're just gonna screw it out, bro.
Yes, sir.
Fuck that shit, too.
You like to
Teamwork and shit. You feel me? Sheesh.
Which one is that?
Let me take that shit is slammed right now, bro. I haven't used that. I don't know what the fuck it is.
Brake line?
I guess, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Whenever that comes off.
Where the fuck your brake line's at then?
It's hanging somewhere. It's not hanging, but it's somewhere. It's clipped on. It definitely, it gotta be clipped on. I can tell you, I definitely did not use those.
He had the same ones, right?
So, it's this collar. You're gonna want
The double one or the
second bottom one, yeah. The bottom of this.
Alright, so this shit. Cause I don't want it to be slammed. I just want like at least a good ass.
Now we just took the two front coilovers out the box and we just matching them up to what we wanted at for our ride height. We did not touch the preload. They set the preload perfectly from the factory, so you might not want to touch that. It's your choice, but we chose not to touch it. Adjusting our height, we'll match them and throw them on. So you're gonna want to shove the coilover back up in there into, there's 3 holes up there that you can see from the engine bay. Have a friend or someone go from underneath and then get the bolts into these holes. Yes, babe. Alright, so we got it in. The whole struggle of this was getting this piece into the actual coilover. Once we got that in, we just work in reverse and put back the bolts that you took off. So we got all the wheels back on for the front. We still didn't do the back, but we're just lowering the front right now.
It's definitely stuck. Sheesh. It's definitely stuck. That is like all the way stuck, like under some shit, my guy.
Sheesh. Shit. That's crazy. That's how we looking in the front right now. We about to get started on the back. Oh.
I'm not a professional. I don't know what I'm doing. But take this bolt out, lower this, and take the pressure off of this. Take this bolt out. That's gonna drop. Put the jack underneath. Hold it and slowly lower it, and then this should drop out if it's not bolted in the top, which it is. Yes, it is. And it's gonna come out with less pressure. Yeah, that was.
Gonna want to take the liners out in the trunk. Right there. Once you get that, you should be able to let the jack down. Imagine don't.
That's what I'm.
Or yeah, just put it. There you go. There you go. It popped out. On the D2 coilovers, you have to cut this off and this off so that the spring can sit on it properly.
So go and grab a Dremel, you know, and just cut it real and easy. You see me?
You know you don't have a Dremel, so my fault.
Alright, how you use this?
Or you can just snip it with pliers or wire cut or whatever works for you guys.
Don't press pressure,
Oh my god, that hurts. Yo. Wait, stop. Yo. That hit me in my face. Oh my god, that felt hot.
Alright, jack it up. Alright, keep going.
Up one more. That's it. This is what you need, guys. Pass-through socket set for the Allen key, the special tool. Need this, it's a must.
Or you could just use a regular like wrench.
That's crazy.
You just gotta, it's gonna take more work. It's on there, but you want me, how tight you want it? I don't give a damn no more.
At this point, if this could take me home, I am good.
It's tough. Little break.
I know.
Little puppy action. So we're starting on the other side. Do the same thing with the special tool in the trunk. Opposite side. And we already went and undid the end link. So we just got the spring in on the other side. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the strut in. Putting all the wheels back on. We're gonna drop it for the first time. This is what we're looking like for our end result. I know you probably can't see that well, but we literally just finished.
Stupid like I'm on the op side and I'm outnumbered, but I'm acting tough.
That's gonna be the end of the video for today. If you like the video, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
I grind like a madman's teeth, let the inner beast out the confines. Hey, I'm not like the rest of them, not in your control, leave it to God, don't ever stress on them. Always count your blessings, they gon' hate cause they got less on them. Evil all inside them, I know like I just dissected them. Music got them lessons because life be always testing them. They take it for granted, now I'm working like a Mexican.